Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Do you often come across irresistible cat videos on platforms like YouTube or TikTok? These short videos can garner millions of views in just a few seconds. Have you ever thought about creating such content yourself? However, you may have noticed that many tutorials mention AI image, and video generators produce cat characters that look different across various scenes, failing to maintain character consistency, which could deviate from your envisioned story. If that's the case, you definitely won't want to miss today's video. In today's video, I'm excited to share an AI image generator that many content creators love using, OpenArt. Recently, OpenArt introduced a new feature based on the FluxDev model, which takes character consistency and image quality to a whole new level. This means once you create a character, it will stay true to its appearance no matter the scenario, while its expressions adapt perfectly to your storyline. Plus, the image quality is consistently impressive, making it a great tool for all your creative projects. This video will also show you how to use OpenArt to train your own custom character model. If you're considering creating AI-driven stories or movies, this will be incredibly helpful. This might be the most detailed tutorial you've come across. Enough said, let's get started. Before we start, let's briefly introduce the powerful model we'll be using today, OpenArt. This is an art platform that integrates over 100 AI image generators, including popular models like Flux, Stable Diffusion, and DALL-E. It caters to text-to-image creation, image editing, and style transfer, offering plans from free to professional levels to meet the needs of both beginners and seasoned artists. Users can either use pre-built models or train their own to create images. This is the core of what we'll cover in this video. So, without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. What do you need before you start? Step 1. First, you need to sign up for an OpenArt account. The link is in the description below. New users get 40 free trial credits to explore all premium features. Step 2. Prepare a set of dataset images. We'll need to generate a character reference sheet to train our base model. Aim for at least 6 images. The more, the better. Click Create Image. Switch to the FluxDev model, one of the fastest and highest quality models currently available. After selecting, enter your character description in the prompt box below. Remember to use different angles, but keep the same theme. If you're unsure how to describe it, here's an example prompt. Here, we're using a cat as an example. We're telling the AI we need a full body reference of the character from different angles, then describe the cat's basic features and style. Don't forget to set the size, preferably cinema size. Click Create. Wow, it's created photos of the cat from different angles, which is super cool. Step 3, crop the images. Download the generated image and you'll see it's just one composite image. We need to split it up, use a cropping tool to cut out each angle of the cat, and remember to crop some close-ups for a more perfect training model. Now that we're ready, let's use OpenArt's unique features to quickly train our own LoRA model to achieve character consistency across different scenarios. Then how to train a LoRA model on OpenArt? Step 1. Upload the dataset. After entering the OpenArt platform, select Train Customized Models. If you can't find it, click Models on the left side. You can also train your own models there. Once opened, you'll find a step-by-step guide perfect for beginners. Scroll down, upload the dataset we just saved. You can support up to 128 photos. Please note that the resolution of the uploaded image cannot be lower than 384. Otherwise, the upload will fail. Step 2. Set model parameters. First, choose the type of model you want to train. Since we're training a cat, we'll select Character. Then, name it whatever you like. Next, this is crucial. Describe your character's keywords, like it's a cartoon character, a cat, 3D style, etc. Remember to emphasize uniform style but diverse details. Step 3. Start training. Click the Train button below, and the model will automatically learn from your provided data. OpenArt's training is very fast, usually completing within 5 minutes. Step 4. Generate images. After training, use the model to generate images. Enter the image generation interface, keep most settings unchanged, but add a camera angle like a full-body shot, and describe what the character is doing. For example, the cat is being chased by a shark in the ocean, showing a terrified expression. Add some style descriptors for enhancement, like horror movie tones, then click Create. In the generated images, the character is accurately replicated from the reference sheet into new scenes. Though some images might have slight head shape variations, by generating multiple times, you'll find one that matches your character. If you want more full body shots, use a 9:16 vertical ratio in the image generator settings. Then expand the image to a wider photo using the expand button in the menu bar. If the results aren't ideal, adjust your dataset or parameters and retrain. Remember, training is an iterative process. Each tweak makes the model better. Finally, if you're happy with your work, click download, then upload it to an AI video generator. We've covered some popular video generators in our previous videos. Let's see the final product. If you pair it with an AI story, you could upload it to YouTube and make money. How cool is that? That's the complete process of training a LoRA model with OpenArt. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Want to learn more about AI image generation? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.